What if you could replace your entire home's plumbing system in just one day and save thousands? At Creative Repipe, that's exactly what they do. They're not your typical plumber. They're a specialty company. Repiping is all they do every day, all day. Their system is built for volume. They send large professional crews, so your repipe gets done fast and correctly. Most homes done in just one day. And here's the part homeowners love. Because they do repipes at scale, their prices are dramatically lower than the average plumber. While most plumbers charge around $25,000, Creative Repipe's typical home water repipes run only $6,000 to $14,000. That's thousands saved and no more leaks, no more low pressure, no more patchwork repairs. Done right, done fast. Plus, they just launched a huge special, 20% off. And great financing so you can get it done. Every repipe comes with a lifetime warranty. If it ever leaks again, they fix it for free for life. Visit them at creativerepipe.com.